In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect an app from Google Drive. If you've ever connected a third-party app to make working with your files easier, but now you don't use it or you're concerned about privacy, removing that connection is quick and straightforward. Disconnecting an app stops it from accessing your drive in the future, and it doesn't delete your existing files in Drive. Just keep in mind that certain app-specific file types might no longer open with that app once it's disconnected. Start by logging into Google Drive. Open your browser, go to the Drive website, and sign into the Google account that's linked to the app you want to remove. Make sure you're in the right account if you use multiple profiles. Once you're in Drive, look to the upper right corner and click the gear icon. This is the general settings menu for Drive, and it's where you control things like storage, language, and connected apps. Next, click on Settings. A settings window or panel will open, showing a list of categories on the left and details on the right. This is where we'll find the area that lists every app currently connected to your Drive. In the left-hand menu, click on Manage Apps. This section displays your connected apps, along with brief descriptions and options for each. It may take a moment for the full list to load if you've connected several tools over time. Now scroll through the list and look for the app you want to remove. Apps appear with their names and sometimes show whether they can create or open certain file types. When you find the right one, look to the right side of that app's row for an Options dropdown. This is usually labeled Options and may appear as a small arrow or three-dot menu next to the app's name. Click the Options dropdown for that specific app and then select Disconnect from Drive. This action removes the app's connection to your Drive, preventing it from accessing your files going forward. Your existing files remain in your Drive, and you can still open them with other compatible apps or download them if needed. If a file type was unique to that app, you might need to choose a different app to open it or export it in another format. That's it. You've successfully disconnected the app. If you want to tidy up further, you can repeat the same process for any other apps you no longer use. Regularly reviewing your connected apps is a good habit to keep your account streamlined and your data secure.